Good morning, students. Today we will study about how industrial revolution originated in England and which favorable conditions helped that England to start industrial revolution there. Many favorable conditions were there, and these conditions, availability of these facilities and conditions, help industrial revolution to start in England and to spread in England, and from England it is spread to other European countries because the soil of England was very fertile for the industrial revolution. We will see in this question, we will study about which favorable conditions help England to spread industrial revolution easily there. The first, it was large colonial empire. Means at the time of the industrial revolution, when industrial revolution originated in England, England became a colonial empire. It had many colonies in different parts of the world like India. From these colonies, they gathered a huge amount of money. It helped England to develop and to spread this industries to industrial revolution there. So the first favorable condition for the spread of industrial revolution, the origin of industrial revolution in England was large colonial empire and the huge amount that they collected from these colonies, because they had a large number of colonies in Asia, Africa and American continents, and this helped England to spread to start a large number of industries in England. Second, it was availability of minerals. Means at the time of the industrial revolution, there was they were getting a large number of minerals like iron, coal, etc. in England as well as from their colonies. And this because the industry needed that coal and iron in large number, in huge amount, a huge quantity for the production of that the machines and other things. So the availability of minerals also helped that England to spread industrial revolution very easily there in England. If you consider the other European countries, Germany was there, France was there, Italy was there, but industrial revolution, it is spread England first. And another third it is availability of skilled laborers. Okay, when the feudalism that ended in England, a large number of farmers, they became free. And at the time of the industrial revolution, these farmers were free to work in these industries. So the industrialists, the owners of the industries, they got a large number of workers there in England that we can see they are called semi-skilled laborers. And the industrialists used these workers here, laborers who were free from the farms, and the availability to this skilled laborers helped the industries of England. And fourth, it was production according to the consumption. Means when industrial revolution started, the industrialists of England, they were very that we can say brilliant. They started the production according to the consumption of the people, the need of the people. They understood, they tried to understand the needs of the people, and they produced the things whatever the people wanted. Means they produce cheapest items there. And another was French Revolution and the Napoleon. At the time of we know that when French Revolution started in France, England was against that, right? So England and the Napoleon always wanted to occupy England also. So what happens? The people of France, England, they produce the things which the items whatever they needed for the war, whatever they needed against Napoleon, because many European countries needed many equipments and things needed against Napoleon. So England got a chance to produce this. So French Revolution indirectly helped England, and Napoleon's wars indirectly helped England to produce many things in England. It also boosted the speed of in the industrial revolution in England. Another, it was availability of capital. It was also very important. because an industry always needs huge capital. So because of this, the colonization, the many people of England, we can say the capitalists of England, they earn a lot of money from the different parts of their colonies. It also helped that the capitalists to start new and huge industries in England, and that it was favorable that geographical position of England, because at the time of the Industrial Revolution, England was free from any foreign invasions, because it was an island. It was that surrounded by seas on all sides. So what happened? So they were free from any foreign invasions. So that we can say the geographical position of England also helped England for the spread of that we can say Industrial Revolution in England. And then it was agricultural revolution. At the time of the Industrial Revolution, agricultural revolution also started in England. Because of that, many farmers, that is the production of that agriculture, that we can say the production of the agriculture increased there by using huge machines. So many workers, we can say many farmers who worked in these farms, they became free. They were idle. So they changed their job, and they came into that industries. So it also helped that we can say the Industrial Revolution in England. And then it was encouragement to scientific inventions. The political, that we can say the rulers of England and the people of England always supported new inventions and the science, because the condition was very peaceful there. It also helped that the scientists to invent more and more inventions. So these were the favorable conditions which helped England to spread Industrial Revolution in England only, because first it started in England, and England only the first European country who got more, we can say more progress in the Industrial Revolution. It was England only because of this condition. Number two, first it was England was a large colonial empire in the world. Second, it was availability of minerals. Third, it was availability of skilled laborers. And next one, production according to consumption, because the industrialists, the capitalists understood the needs of the people. Next, French Revolution and the Napoleon also indirectly helped the Industrial Revolution. Next, availability of capital, because industries always needed huge capital, so it was available there. Next, favorable geographical position. It also helped that England to spread that Industrial Revolution very easily there. And next, it was Agricultural Revolution. It also helped that the movement of industries in England very fast. Next, encouragement to scientific inventions. The support of the scientists in England, it also helped that England to spread Industrial Revolution very fast there. Thank you very much.